Howdy, Rick from DreamSideOut. Haven't put out a video yet this year, but I thought I'd just let you follow me through the evening and I could talk about a few things that I have planned for the channel and for 2017. Well, the first thing for this evening is to, it's a rainy evening and it's warmed up a little bit, which is nice. It's been very cold in Seattle. I've been fine in the van using my buddy heater, but just the coldness kind of starts getting to you after a while. You just, you long for warmer times. So I've been doing lots of things since New Year's Day and since my last video. I'm trying to implement a better exercise routine. That's something that everybody does after the first of the year, right? So I've been hitting the gym a little harder. I actually added an additional gym membership. I have the one at work, but then I got an additional gym membership in another location that I hang out at a lot. And the reason I did that is so that I can have access to their sauna. So the cold weather, I guess, inspired me to do that. I can go sit in the sauna, and boy, it is great. Do a nice workout, and then go do a 15-minute sauna and a cold shower afterwards, and then do that same cycle again. Boy, it makes you feel. Right now, I'm going to get some food. I have an idea about what I want to cook for dinner tonight, and that's another thing on my list for improvements of the year. Living in the van now for in March 1st will be a full year. So I haven't quite gotten a year in the van yet, but I'm starting to get some routines down, as I've mentioned in previous videos. And one of the things that I'm really serious about is improving my diet, or my eating habits, I guess. I usually have a pretty good diet, but I've been eating out too much. I've been, it's like right now, I'm off work, I did my workout, I'm kind of tired, and it'll be so easy just to go to some restaurant and have somebody serve me. But I'm trying to, I want to be more in control of that, because there's going to be a time coming up in the future where, I'm going to be on a fixed income, I'll be retired or whatever, and I want to be ready for that. I want to be able to just have the routine of fixing my own food, and I want to learn to cook some better meals. I think I need to improve my cooking. You always eat better if you cook your own meals. So I'm going to get fresh organic food tonight and cook up a meal. So I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, it took me a while to get my food. I had to go to 2 stores, but I got some good grass-fed beef and ground beef and some cabbage, organic cabbage, some onion, a few spices. I just picked up a few things that I needed too. I needed some sesame oil and a few things like that. So I'm going to whip up a little dish of food here in a minute, as soon as I find my spot. Okay, here I am. I'm backing into my spot here. It's hard to see out of these mirrors when it's dark. Just got parked, open the back door. I'm gonna get my inverter going here and get some lights and get my stove out. Sound of a pile driver out there. They're working on the docks around here or something. Stove takes a little bit of setup time. It's the only thing about it I don't like, but all other things about it are great. My secondary stove out there. This is something I use all the time. Good old deep frying pan with a lid on it. So it's like 2 frying pans in one, but I love this thing. It's the greatest thing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Living in a van, folks.